Now we start the chapter fourth, that is construction of triangle. In previous standard, we have learned that the construct to a triangle when its three sides are given, then construct a triangle when its base and two adjacent angles are given. Third one, construct a triangle when two sides and the include angle are given. And to construct a right angle triangle when its hypotenuse and one side is given. Now we first see the how to draw a perpendicular bisector. So first I draw here a line, that is here line draw that name A and B. Okay, now I draw a perpendicular bisector. Now take a compass and here more than half. Take a more than half. Then we draw arc this side and this side also. So same distance we draw arc this side also and here also. Okay. Then we join this intersect point of arc here and here. So this is our perpendicular bisector. So this is a 90 degree and this we name this T, and these two sides AT and TB become equal. When I take here any point, here I take a point P and join this AP, and here also I join PB. Here AP and PB is also equal. So this we called as a perpendicular bisector. Now we start the construction. So let's we see our first construction. Now we start the construction first. In construction first, to construct a triangle when its base and angle adjacent to the base and sum of the angles of remaining side is given. See the practice set 4.1, our first example. Construct triangle PQR in which QR 4.2 cm, angle Q 40 degree and PQ plus PR 8.5 cm. So here when its base is a QR 4.2 and adjacent angle, that is angle Q 40 degree, and sum of length of remaining side, that is PQ plus PR equal to 8.5 cm. So here we get a PQ plus PR is a 8.5 cm. First we draw a rough diagram. In a rough diagram, here the base that is a 4.2. So we write here QR and here 4.2 centimeter. Okay, then here angle 40 degree. So with the help of this D protector, we draw a, that is, so in a rough diagram here we draw a 40 degree. So take here the 40 degree. Okay, so right here 40 degree. Then here the addition of this PQ plus PR 8.5. So addition of this and this is a P 8.5. So we cannot draw this in a length. So we draw this line 8.5 though, extend this line. Then we take here any point. Here we take a D. Then join this DR. Join this DR and then we perpendicular bisector, draw a perpendicular bisector of DR. So I draw here perpendicular bisector DR and then join this intersecting point and R. So this is our PQR. This is our triangle PQR. So this and this are equal. So this is also equal. This is perpendicular bisector. So this is our rough diagram. Now we start our construction. First we draw a QR base side. So QR is a 4.2. Okay. So here 4.2. I draw here, name that QR and here 4.2 centimeter. Then with the help of this D, we draw a angle 40 degree. A 40 degree here, see here the lower side, so here the 40, okay, mark here, then I draw here 40 degree. Then what is the next step? That is 40 degree. Then make a, now here we take a point D on this side. Now make a point on S on a ray QD. So here make a, that QS is a, we given a 8.5 addition of this. So we take a measurement of 8.5 and make a arc. So here we take a distance 8.5. So put here an arc, that is, this is a S. Now right here draw one line, that this we called as a 8.5 centimeter. Okay, now there we draw the SR. Now here this arc, that is, I write here S. Okay, then we join this SR. This SR. Now construct a perpendicular. So we draw a perpendicular bisector of this SR. Then again we take a half of this and make arc here this side and this side also. Then here and here. Okay. Then we join these two intersecting point of arc. So we join here intersecting point. Then name the point intersection that we QD and perpendicular bisector of SR, that we call either here the name P. Okay, and then join here, draw a segment PR. So this is our required angle, that is PQR. So this side and this side is also equal, and this is the perpendicular bisector, so this and this also equal. So this is our required triangle. Our practice set 4.1 first example. Now we start the practice set 4.1 example number 2. Construct triangle XYZ in which YZ equal to 6 cm, XY plus XZ equal to 9 cm, angle XYZ is equal to 50. Again here base given, angle given, and sum of two remaining sides given. So first we draw here base YZ, that is the 6. I draw here the rough diagram. This is the 6 cm. Okay, and then here angle 50 degree. This is angle Y is a 50 degree. Then sum of these two angles, so side of this and this, I extend this side and then we take a point here M. So that is a 9 cm. So this is our rough diagram. Okay, so we will start the construction. Here first we take a base, that is 6 cm. That is YZ 6 cm. Then angle 50 degree. So with the help of this protractor, we take point here and we take a 50 degree here. Mark here. Then draw a line. Okay. Then we take a point here, any point, that is point M. So that is a sum of these two sides, that is 9 cm. So take a measurement 9 cm. Put here an arc. So here (9 cm) and take a point, any point we write here M. And this point we write a N. Okay, then we join this MZ. You join this MZ. Then draw a perpendicular bisector of this MZ. So more than half we take here distance and mark here, this below and above, here also. Join this intersecting point of these two arc. Okay, then here the intersecting point of this YM. Join this and we get our required angle. This is we known as a X. So XYZ is our required triangle. Name here angle 50 degree. So this side and this side are equal. This is the perpendicular bisector of MZ. So this and this also equal. So this is our required triangle. Example number